serious? Guys, you're almost there. Maybe, but let's pray in the comment section.
Yeah, in Atlanta.
I want to pray. Guys, oh wow. But as we reach it, God, let it work for my good in the name of Jesus. Hey. Yo, what going, guys? I'm gonna look for a car. What is car, guys? Guys, let's check out these lizards. Come and show these lizards. Guys, have you seen that lizard there? Show lizard, they show me. Is the best. No, we're not even going for that G whatever. See, the thing is that at this my age or this my point, I don't want to get a car and when it has faults, you come a problem. You come back, I can't spend money for all those repairs. I don't want that. I want to enjoy the car, but like at least it's only services I'll be doing. So at that
How far? Well done.
This is to carry presidents and all that. When I buy it, I know the back again of his life. Yeah, we experience. Ben, who is up and down? Subscribe. Como ça veut dire? C'est un.
And I did it.
Are you shy?
I was not shy, I was scared.
Were there lots of people there as you are seeing on screen?
So many, yeah. I know you're seeing more of white people. And you're like, these people understand what I'm here to do.
I feel like they understand.
But they liked it, like they were mind blown.